this is Eva and Mark, and we're beginning our wonderful three-island swim journey. Here's Mark. And here's pastry for you.
Oh, you were going to go be a scout? Because it looks like there's little
Just beautiful.
So for some water, we have tea as well and some juice. And they brought some fresh pastry.
Here's the pastry right there. You're still on video. Okay, we're looking at the beautiful yachts as we're pulling out of the harbor. Unfortunately, we're here in Athens, Greece. I didn't catch the name of the harbor. This is not Piraeus by any stretch. These are all wonderful private boats and yachts. And we're on one ourselves. I'm so excited. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over Greece and the world. Live well, travel well is our motto. Hey, I'm going to do swimming on the beach, and I'm on the catamaran/yacht. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it is beautiful. So call us, and it's going to be your experience. Enjoy.